Top 5 Best Smoker Stations that will make you quit smoking instantly. Whether you own a business or apartment building or don't like to smoke in your home, a smoker station is a great way to manage cigarette butts and prevent litter. Our list comprises models constructed from durable, all-weather materials and includes everything from commercial-grade choices perfect for commercial premises to space-saving designs ideal for a patio or backyard. When users buy our independently chosen editorial recommendations, we may earn commissions to help fund the review part. Number 1 Safco Products 9696
Hi, we're back with
VL.
another Me Moment. Today we'd like to talk about Safco's Square Ash and Trash. The black steel and chrome accents of this square ash and trash receptacle are a great addition to smoking areas. This steel receptacle features an ash urn on top with a waste receptacle underneath so your space can keep looking its best. The ash urn has a slotted snuffer for cigarette disposal, and there's no sand to replace or maintain. The 3-gallon capacity will ensure waste will be kept in its place. This has been
Number 2 Safco Model Ash Urn. Crazy Sale.
Hi, we're back with another Me Moment. Today we'd like to talk to you about Safco's Ash Urn. Help keep indoor smoking areas looking their best with this ash urn. The discreet design makes it a great addition to your smoking areas, while keeping them free of cigarette litter. The urn is made from heavy gauge steel for durability with a non-marring anodized aluminum top. This ash urn will give you the look you want while blending into its surroundings. Smoke them if you got them. Thank you for joining us for another Me Moment. Please join us again to find out how Safco can help you.
Number 3 Rubbermaid Commercial.
Here's a modern solution to controlling smoking litter. Presenting our smoking management systems, only from Rubbermaid Commercial. Sleek and smartly designed, this is our best seller, the Groundskeeper. The exterior is made of injection molded plastic, so it's durable and weather resistant. The small opening at the top keeps rain out, hides the waste from view, and restricts oxygen to help extinguish burning cigarettes. The steel base plate keeps it stable and adds weight for security. And the galvanized steel canister inside is large enough to hold a large amount of waste while still making it easy to lift out and empty. Contemporary and unobtrusive, it blends well and matches most commercial or office environments. The Groundskeeper, only from Rubbermaid Commercial.
Number 4 American Metalcraft SPR V2. Crazy Sale. Strive wall mounted. Crazy Sale.